Even though say e dey pain us for heart, we no suppose dey cry but to dey celebrate sake of say na better life Coach Sebastian Brodricks live. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu talk this one on Monday when him and some political associates carry waka go pay consolation visit to the family of the late Under-17 World Cup winning coach Sebastian Brodricks. Oga Shaibu come talk say the death of Coach Emaswen na big loss not only to Edo State but to Naija as a whole, and say the space where he live no go dey easy to fill sake of him ogbonge contribution for Naija football, and say he don write him name with gold for the heart of God and man.
By the grace of God in heaven, he has written his name in gold in the hearts of not only men but in the heart of God because of what he used his talent to do for us in Nigeria, in Africa, World Cup in 1985. He has written his name in gold. So we are not actually supposed to be mourning. We are actually supposed to be celebrating the life of a man, the life of somebody that came into the world. He saw and he conquered in the field that he developed. We all been given talent, but depending on the talent that you discover you have to develop, he discovered his own and he got to the peak and he brought laurels to all of us. I was asked to do sports. One of the targets that I gave to myself and my team is to be able to break that record. If you can't break it, he sets that record and fulfill it by making sure that when we have the opportunity, Edo should have the number of players in the national team just like we had that time. Because you can see that in Kodak 85, we had a lot of our sons in that team, and Nigeria won the World Cup. Today we are struggling. We are struggling in all tournaments, including even the Nations Cup. Why? Because Edo went to sleep after that era. In this moment, the entire state is with you in this moment, the entire country to this moment. And by the grace of God, all they live for, we that are there to be able to keep that flame burning.
Effusa Brodricks Emaswen wey talk on behalf of the family and wey be Coach Emaswen's son, country wey salute give Oga Shaibu for his support and say them dey happy say their papa live better life.
People that show support, extending the support to the family, because we all know he had a long illness. It was almost about a year and a couple of months before God deemed it fit to call him. So this is the whole issue is incident and all this. No way it's unavoidable. We are happy that it's going to rest eventually, but there's always this sadness because you know you're going to miss him. And there are things you cannot experience again with him, but to God be the glory. So I want to thank you all here for coming to contribute to us today. And once again, thank you for your support. And we pray that the soul finds eternal peace. Solutions is that way cannot be overstated in any way. We're all aware, some people are not even aware of some things he achieved in his lifetime as well. We only know the ones that made the headlines. Understand? So to God, we thank God. He lived a good life. His life was well spent, and it was his time. So the curtain has been drawn. Give God.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.